Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the account and permissions required to open a location in Mobile Legends. Open the game and sign in, then immediately check your device settings to allow location access for the app. Once done, make sure your internet is stable, because the location feature communicates with servers in real time. If you use a VPN, disable it now so the app can detect your true region. These first steps prevent permission or connectivity blocks later in the process. You now navigate inside the game to reach the location controls. Go to your profile or the in-game settings menu and locate the section labeled Location, Region, or Server. Once visible, tap the option that lets you open or change location. The UI often prompts for confirmation and may show nearby servers. Make sure your device location is still enabled and accurate. If asked, grant temporary permission. Follow on screen, prompt step by step to avoid mismatching the server. You finish by confirming the new location and ensuring the change takes effect. Accept any confirmation dialogues, then close and restart Mobile Legends to refresh server connections and matchmaking. If the location doesn't apply, clear the app cache in your device settings and try again. Make sure you're off VPN and that location permissions remain granted. If problems persist, collect a brief error screenshot and submit it to Mobile Legends support with timestamps and your account ID. This speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.